Fix your square saggy butt to round beautiful butt. This is the 5-minute side butt specialized program part 1. Let's get an attractive round butt together. Place your legs at 90 degrees, keeping your toes together, and open your knees only to a small shoulder width apart, then close them. Apply light pressure with your hand and open it to resist your hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. It is a small movement, but it works well for the hip dips, believe me. Let's do the other side. This very small exercise affects the inner muscles of your side booty getting trained. If you let your legs move wide apart, another muscle will be engaged, so keep the range of motion small, about shoulder width apart. Next, raise the leg on the upper side of the leg, also placed at 90 degrees, to shoulder width. This time, make an external rotation below the knee with the hand holding the kneecap in place. 1, 2, 1, 2. For the last 10 seconds, push your knee backward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The other side. Legs should be lined up at 90 degrees and the leg on the upper side should be raised to shoulder width. Once your hand secures the kneecap, rotate the shin outward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. For the last 10 seconds, push the knee backward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sore, right? Next, place your feet comfortably as an extension of your upper body, and the tip is to have your upper body should be face down toward the mat. Open, straighten, bend, and return. 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 Keep trying. The other side. The key is to keep your upper body face down toward the mat. Open, straighten, bend, and return. Open, straighten, bend, and return. Open, straighten, bend, and return. The sides of your hips are getting tired. Hang in there. Almost there. My side booty is so sore. Next is prone. Bend one leg and support your body. Open the leg diagonally outward, not directly backward. If the knee is loose, it will not work on your butt, so keep it fully straight. Raise and lower. It's fine even if the range of motion is small. So, focus on your butt and knee. Diagonally outward. Raise and lower. Control and lower slowly so do not drop your leg down. Let's do the other side. Open your legs diagonally outward at an angle and keep your knees straight. Keep your knee tightly straightened. You don't have to raise it high, so it doesn't matter how small the motion is. Engage your butt and knee. Almost there. Almost there. Keep going. It must make your side butt and upper butt feel being used. Put both legs together in the middle, knees at 90 degrees. Place your right ankle outside your left knee joint and pull gently. Stretch the side butt muscles you just used. Keep taking deep breaths. The butt muscles will not grow round if you skip the post-workout muscle stretching. Stretch and loosen the muscles that you have been contracting.
So tell me, what's the point of calling out my voice is draining? Are we gonna put up a fight? So tell me how this started.
Once you have brought your feet back to the center, hook your right knee with your left ankle. Turn your face to the opposite side from where your knees are being toward. Taking enough protein is also essential for creating an attractive round butt. Please refer to the summary section for recommended intake. I'll be posting a few more patterns in the future for this 5-minute hip dip series that fix your square saggy butt, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't miss the next video as well. Well done! Thank you for watching.